Hey you guys, Matt here. It's been a little while. So things are just starting to open up here in California. Public lands are starting to open. So that means I am getting out. So I loaded up my truck today and I'm just gonna drive into the hills. No real plan. My main mission is cooking some good food. So I just also picked up a new cast iron that I just re-seasoned and I need to actually test out. So thought this would be a great opportunity to hit the road and actually do a little bit of adventuring for the first time in a little while. So it's been a little while, rocking the work from home scruff while I still can, but hope you guys enjoy. Let's go adventure. Well shucks, option A is closed. Up into the hills, the central coast. So time to find option B. Don't really know what I'm gonna do, but let's just drive and see if we can find something together. Okay, so I just pulled off to the side of the road. There's a coyote crossing that just ran up into the mountains and under the hillside over there. Just driving, I'm going for it. No idea really where I'm going. Just drove through the city of Santa Margarita. Drove through Pozo. Let's see, just a little beautiful ag out here. Love it. Need to keep it forever. But off I go up there. I think Los Padres National Forest is kind of all up there. There's some vultures snacking on something over there. But let's go. Having fun. Well, I think I found my spot for the night. I'm at the top of a little crest. You can see my car's parked here. Nice and just off the main road. But there's Los Padres for you. City of Pozo, or little town of Pozo is over there. And then here's the main dirt road. OHV trail going this way. Definitely parked on an OHV, but it'll be okay just for throughout the night. There's no one else out here. But just mountains. Boy, oh boy. Well, I think I'm gonna hike up there and show you guys a view. There's the truck. And oh boy, you can see the road kind of going down with the farms that I had previously mentioned over there. So, kinda, I think the road went up that way and then snuck through the canyon up here. But just before sunsets, we're about 30-40 minutes out. So I'm gonna start cooking up some dinner. See you in a sec. Well, as I'm squinting into the sunset, I think I might show you guys my setup real quick. Here she is. So just set up for dinner real fast. Got my Coleman, trusty, maybe 7 or 8 years old. My cast iron. Tonight for dinner, I've got a fillet of salmon, some broccoli, a stick of butter, some good old red onion pre-cut up, and a lemon. And then there's the setup. I have a mattress topper with a blanket just over it. And then always have to have an emergency fishing pole. Right now I have some, I think it's called Reflectix, I'm blanking on the name, on this side just as extra insulation when I do more urban camping. People can't see in. I have one for here, I keep hiding underneath. But pillow back there, random emergency gear, and then my cooler's right there. You can see I have some lights set up just to show you guys. I'll probably turn them off to save some battery, but battery pack's right there. It's my random little setup. So time to start cooking with dinner. Got to get some butter going, some broccoli. I'll probably start out with the broccoli so that can cool down a little bit. Nothing's worse than cold salmon. So get started. Let's get going. Gorgeous fish. Skin side down, crisp it up. Oh man. She's a little hot. Don't want the skin to burn. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's cooking a bit faster than I like. I'll put it to the side so it can get a little low and slow. Oh, she's crispy. Gorgeous. A little hotter than I'd like. Normally I'd say it's too early for this, but my pan's getting too hot and I want some moisture in there. Woo. Oh yeah. Looking good. It's burning a little more than I like. Let's take that off the heat. Forgot to add a little dill. Dill's okay if it's not cooked. Make that look pretty. Broccoli down. There it is. It's looking good. So some charred broccoli, onions. It's nice and toasty. Should get a bigger plate next time. Crack open a good old PBR. Time for a test bite. Oh yes. Oh my goodness. Camera's a little low, so I'll kneel for you guys, but oh, it's just pull apart. You can taste all of that lemon. Nice and flaky. Now let's try the broccoli. Just simple. Not too much done to it. Let's see. You can see a light char. I should have brought a steamer. Should have steamed them beforehand. Wish you guys could come along. This is superb. Man, I am a happy camper. That was delicious. None left. Have a couple tiny little pieces of onion left in the cast iron. But after that, look at this sunset. Oh man. Focus. Boy. It's beautiful. And you can see over here, the moon's popping up. It's nice and calm over there. And here's another view of how steep that trail is. There's no way anyone's coming down this in the middle of the night. Now I just have to finish cleaning up, and I might bring out a book and read a little bit. Turn on the Coleman one last time for the night. Let's see here, got some tea brewing. A little bit of a peppermint one. So I'll probably do that, and then brush my teeth and head into my cozy chamber for the night. I have my book listen to a podcast and fall asleep. Well, see you guys in the morning. Actually, maybe I'll update you later on. Well, I'm inside. It's just about 10 o'clock, and this is the reality of a truck camper. So I'm in here, and I really need to start going through some of this stuff for next time. I have just about everything I'm using this camping trip here. Some dry goods here, backpack, and then an entire case of cup of noodles, case emergency, random gear, got a helmet from Halloween 2 years ago, somehow still in here, random gear that I need to clean out, but hey, maybe one day I'll find use for it. So, well, time for bed. I've been just reading for a little while, listening to podcasts and just relaxing. It's a full moon out tonight, so I can't really see any stars. You can see Orion's belt just kind of up over there, but 10 o'clock and you can see just about everything in the horizon because it's so bright out. But I have decided to keep these closed. I had it open for a while, but it was getting a little cold. And by that I mean California cold. It's 54 degrees. So might get warm in here tonight. But yeah, so I'm excited, already thinking about bacon for breakfast. So be there soon. See you guys later. Good night. Good morning, you guys. It's a pretty good night. Slept like a baby. It's pretty warm outside. It's 46 right now. Nice and toasty in here. Only time I woke up was, I think there was a coyote that came by. It was just about the size of, I saw outside 2 eyes. It was the size of a chihuahua. Don't know if it was a small coyote or if it was a badger of some sort. It just came rocketing super fast running down this road. But yeah, it's beautiful out. I miss sunrise, but I needed the sleep. So I ended up just reading up till super late. But I'm awake now. Time for some breakfast. Thinking bacon, eggs, and maybe a pancake. But definitely coffee. Let's see, this is how it is out there. You can see the steep road back there. And then sun's poking out. So, okie dokie artichoke. Time for some food. Well, time for some coffee. I'm the type of person where I don't love making coffee and eating breakfast at the same time. I need my coffee first, and then I can dig in. Need some processing power beforehand. Got some instant coffee, nothing spectacular this morning, just enough to get blood flowing. That's a lot. Maybe not quite so much. That's good. I just picked up this teapot at Goodwill. $5, well worth it. Still learning. Don't need a hand warmer for it. Good. That's some instant coffee. It's not gonna win any awards, but it'll get me up. Okay, now time for breakfast. So, got some bacon, eggs, and some pancakes. And when I planned ahead, I chose some really fatty bacon, so I can use that as a base for my fried eggs. No, broken yolk. Well, the eggs are finishing up. Time for pancake mix. So I put some pre-measured out pancake mix in this container. It's a 50% ratio, so here's some water. And dump that in. Those eggs are probably more than done. Have to mix it around. It's already the right ratio. Should have brought more pancake mix. Puny little one. Ooh-wee. There we go. Some final plating. I have a tad bit of butter I can stick on top of that pancake. I forgot syrup though. The one thing I did have for those, here's a sneak peek. For the fried eggs, I found in my backpack and some Taco Bell hot sauce. So that'll be more than welcome. Boom. Not classy, but convenient. My motto. Oh. Well, time to sit down and enjoy some of this. Enjoy the fruit of my labor. I'm on my second cup of joe, and I think it's just about time to pack up. It's been a nice little spontaneous camping trip. As you can tell, I didn't put much planning, and first spot was actually closed. That was my favorite spot. It's about a dirt road that's about 45 minutes to an hour long once you get on the trail, and it's an overlook of all the Central Coast, and you can see just all ocean from up there. But Forest Services had it closed down for just about the year for fire danger and then going into COVID. But this is a good second, not a bad spot. You can see some vultures off in the distance. But I had some good food. I pretty much do things like this just about every weekend, so it was nice being able to pick up the camera for the first time in a while and be able to share it with you. A little rusty, but it's nice being able to share my solo camping driving adventure. So I'm gonna finish up my second cup of joe, clean up a bit, and nice part of the Central Coast is I can have mountains or hills one part of the day and then go to the beach. So it's supposed to be 80 degrees later today, fairly soon I think. Yeah, it's just hitting 9 o'clock right now and it's gonna start heating up. So I wanna head to the beach, jump into the ocean, have a good rest of the day, burn off some of that fried eggs and bacon. Thanks for following along. It's been a fun-filled adventure. Thanks for listening to my rambling. But let me know if you guys want to see more of this or different types of adventures. I'm always down to share. So have a good one, you guys. Talk to you later.